Good morning, students. In today's class of chapter Water and Natural Resource of class 7, we are going to study about the new topic, that is water, a renewable resource. Water is a renewable resource because it is present on earth in various forms, as it occurs in the form of solid, liquid and gases in all states of matter, and it is used in various ways also. So it is undergoes a water cycle that we will study later on, and it is used in so much of detailed manner. What are the important points about water, which is a renewable resource? First of all, occurrence. Water occurs around 3/4 of the Earth's surface. Water has covered the Earth's surface in 3/4 part in various forms like ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans, seas, and so many other ways also. In the underground water also it is present, but on the Earth's surface in these forms it is present. So in a vast area it covers on Earth. Second, it is very important for the survival of the living organism. Survival means it is important means we can live without food for several days, but we cannot live without water for few days or even. It is also required for the digestion process of the food we intake, absorption and distribution of the nutrients in the body. In the absence of water, the digestion process, the absorption of nutrients and the distribution of nutrients, all the processes get disturbed. The next point is, for the humans, around 2/3 of the body consists of water. In human body also, the water is the major part which is present. So it is very important to control the water level in the body. Why it is important? It controls temperature. Temperature control is a very important thing. In the summer days, we generally sweat because of the intense heat of the atmosphere. To control our body functions, and the sweat comes out in the form of water. And water that comes out in the form of sweat, it controls our body temperature so that we can maintain the difference of the temperature of our body and the atmosphere. The next one is germination in plants. For the plants also the water is very important. For the germination of the plants, without the water, the seeds cannot germinate. So it is very important for them also. Simultaneously, the photosynthesis process also occurs in plants in the presence of water. If water is not there, the photosynthesis also cannot take place and plants will not be able to make their food. The next point is for the cooking and washing. These are also, I have explained in the previous videos, that water is important for cooking and washing. Everybody knows how. And the seventh is electricity generation. Water is used to generate the electricity in the hydropower plants. The eighth point is, this is habitat of aquatic animals. Very important point about water. That aquatic animals, there are many species like turtles, crocodile, fishes and aquatic plants. These all can only live inside the water, which are aquatic category, and they get all the important nutrients inside the water. The body temperature also there is controlled by the water, and it is required. So a habitat is also means water works as a habitat. So you see that in these all ways, the water is a very important natural resource which comes under the category of renewable resources.